Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how you could use a headphone from your phone as a microphone for your digital SLR camera. I hope you all would have been in a situation where you would have forgot your Rode microphones and would have suffered a lot due to the wind noises that come with the microphone that is by default on the DSLR. So I have a solution for this, but if you plug this device directly into your camera, it's definitely not going to do any recording. Let me show you. You go to the Canon camera, sound recording is set to manual. Now you can see that it is showing you decibel levels from the default microphone, and when I plug this into my camera, you cannot see any noise levels that is being displayed on the screen. So now I have a solution for this. It's just simple. All it needs is just 150 rupees or $2 maybe. So the adapter that I have here is the one that splits into a mic as well as a speaker. As you can see, why this pin doesn't work is because it has both the microphone and the speaker pin on the same port. So obviously it is difficult for the camera to pick these signals up, and the port doesn't match. So this adapter, it is going to split it into a microphone and a speaker individual port. You can see that there are two. So when you plug only the microphone into your DSLR, now you can see that the voice levels are being recognized, and the levels that are being picked up are from this microphone. You can see that I'm flickering the speaker microphone of a Nokia headphone, and you can see that it has started recording. The sound levels are pretty decent. Of course, there are some basic noise decibels that come out of it, but still you can obviously filter it out. As you can see, this is a Nokia headphone. If you're using some other high quality headphones, it will definitely do the job, and you could stay safe even if you forget to take your Rode microphones out. So I've attached the link of this device, this adapter. If you want to check it out, have a look at the description below. Thank you guys. Bye bye.